Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DocuSign Connect with OAuth for integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize DocuSign Connect with OAuth for integrations, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the admin menu on your dashboard. In the admin section, locate the integrations option on the left panel. Click on API and keys under the integrations menu. Next, select Add App and Integration Key to create a new integration key. Provide a name for your app in the designated field. You can also add a description to clarify the purpose of your integration. Select whether your integration will be for a production or demo environment. Once filled, click the Save button to generate your integration key. Make a note of your new integration key, as you will need it later. Scroll down to the Redirect URIs section. Enter the redirect URI for your application. This URI is where DocuSign will redirect users after authentication. Click Add URI to save your entry. Now, navigate to the User Info tab. Click on Add User to associate a user with your integration key. Select a user from the list and confirm their permissions for this app. Once saved, return to the API and Keys section. You will see options for OAuth 2.0 configuration. Choose OAuth as your authentication method. Start by selecting the Authorization Code Grant option. You need to generate a secret for your app. Click Generate Secret and save this secret securely. You will use this secret along with your integration key to authenticate. Now, open your browser and construct the OAuth authorization URL. This URL should include your integration key, the redirect URI, and the response type. Direct users to this URL so they can initiate the OAuth flow. Once authorized, DocuSign will redirect back to the specified URI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.